Let's check it out. Oh. Man, people crazy out here. Everybody drives like crazy. Sheesh, especially those rich snobs up here, you know, the wine league, you know, all a bunch of snobs. Horrible people. Yeah, most of them are rude and nasty to you. This guy almost just hit me. His dumb SUV just tried to hit me. Wow. That is not how you pull into a space. It's supposed to go.
Project as usual. Downtown of Woodland, 17 minutes north down I-5.
In 300 feet, parking.
Out today was better, believe it or not. 21 minutes westbound 80 to Mace Boulevard. That accident itself cleaned up. And eastbound traffic is still starting just after Old Davis Road all the way to Childs Road. Staples Holiday Oats means amazing savings for the holiday season.
Parking.
Right now, save 60% on custom holiday cards and invitations, as well as custom photo gifts like mugs and calendars. Offer ends 12/2. Visit Staples.com/print for more details. Have yourself a merry little holiday at Staples. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. 8.5 KPK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1330 AM. All right, thanks, Dave. Check back with you again shortly. Right now, here's our KPK weather forecast. Sunny most of the time tonight. 40 tonight, time local 41 to 45. Mostly sunny skies for the Thanksgiving Day holiday tomorrow. Tomorrow's high 68 to 70. we've got 57 degrees in Lincoln, 55 at Lodi, and 55
Parking.
It's 42 at South Lake Tahoe, and 56 here in Sacramento. KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio. Our afternoon news poll question today was, wanted to know how you feel about the upcoming holiday season and potentially touchy topics to be discussed there. Things such as politics. Is that something that should be discussed at holidays? Well, we wanted to find out what you think, because there's a new Quinnipiac poll out that says 60% of Americans would rather not talk about the subject. On the other hand, about 3 in 10 said they look forward to discussing these types of topics. So we asked your opinions. We wanted to hear what you think. On Twitter, it was pretty even split. About 25% said yes, it's topical. 29% no, too controversial, we shouldn't get into those. 25% said I'm ready for any topic, and another 21% said I'm just there for the food. Here's some of what some folks had to say.
I think it's great to talk politics or any other topic during Thanksgiving, as long as you know the people that are there are able to have the conversation without getting hurt. So it really boils down to knowing your audience. If there's audience members that really can't do that, it's better to keep quiet and just respect the space and make it a time for gratefulness.
All right. Well, thanks for weighing in today. Appreciate hearing from everyone on it. Just ahead on the KFBK Afternoon News, we'll check on your top trending stories and go in depth on this topic of family holiday drama, what you can do about it. If you're just about home, remember you can continue to listen to Sacramento News and Talk on KFBK News Radio. Once you're home, just tell your smart speaker to play KFBK on iHeartRadio. KFBK Holiday Weekend.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey, Mr. Turkey, your working days are done. It's Thanksgiving, the table set for fun.
As we count our blessings one by one.
Happy holiday.
Thanksgiving holiday.
From all of us to you. From KFBK News Radio.
Hi, Kitty here, and Pottery World looks so beautiful right now. And their Christmas open house continues, and you can save 20% off on all that holiday and Christmas decor. But that's not all. I mean, it's everything in the store. So whether you're getting pottery or fountains or indoor or outdoor furniture, maybe you need more for inside for the holidays. Sofas, sectionals, dining room sets, all 20% off. Everything, the whole store, 20% off. Pottery Room, holiday decor, and so much more.
All your life, you've worked hard, paid your dues, and earned what's yours. Now, in your golden years, you deserve a Medicare provider that works just as hard. But Medicare reports that Kaiser Permanente's patient quality ratings have been dropping across the country. You deserve a health plan that values quality as much as you do. Go to www.dropkp.org to learn more about your Medicare options beyond Kaiser Permanente.
Paid for by UFCW 555.
I was in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean when it happened.
Kevin Linham.
Great.
Parking.
Summary. No phone connected.
Hello?
Please connect phone. That things are changing. In our
I did all that for nothing. Are you serious?
Parking.
Fucking did that. I hate when he fucking gets mad. He makes me do all these fucking running around for absolutely no fucking reason. Oh, he made me waste my money and waste my time buying things that he never even wanted in the first place.
In 100 feet. Parking.
So fucking much. I'm so sick of it.
Get 35% off your first preferred order with free shipping and our money back guarantee. Go to balanceofnature.com or call 1-800-2468-751.
Parking.
This special offer by using discount code KLG.
Bertolucci's Body Shop is Sacramento's best. Bertolucci's works on all makes and models.
Parking. In 300 feet, parking. Parking.
One family member who still insists on having some political conversations.
If there's somebody that in the family that is just famous for throwing out harsh zingers, I turn it into a drinking game with my partner and other people in the family, so we can kind of commiserate at this happening.
Parking.
If it's really toxic, then I give myself permission to remove myself from the situation. Like, go see what the kids are doing. Maybe do an activity with the kids. But I'll just sit at the kids' table because it's a lot more fun.
Damn, that guy's driving on the wrong side of the road.
Parking.
That's how you see it. No law enforcement. They don't even care anyway.
It can be as easy as if you just done 4 hours of shopping or 4 hours of cooking, give yourself a break. Take a 5-minute walk or call up a friend that you love and just chat with them. Realize that you're putting yourself through a lot of extra work and a lot of extra effort, and you need a little TLC as well.
There are many self-help guides out there for surviving nowadays.
Parking.
Many of them suggest setting personal boundaries, sticking to them, finding ways to change the subject, planning ahead for that, or removing yourself from problematic situations. Successful ways to navigate stressful situations through the holidays.
Yeah, like stupid
For one
relationships.
West Los Angeles grocery
You know,
store
people
closing
shouldn't
for
even be
Thanksgiving
in the
Eve
first
yesterday.
place.
At least people do a double take when they look at the price tag. A 16-pound turkey at Gelson's grocery store.